Welcome to my crib. Island crib, yeah? Alright, here we go. This is my living room. And this is where we're playing game at. Okay. This is where my Gus used to cook at. He cook over here. And okay, check out all the room. This room is free. It's $1 a night. Okay? And this one here, it's also free too. It's about $1 a night too. And this one here, it's real free. No money down on it. Look around. Oh, you can buy this for $1 too. Okay. Here's the bed. This is my girl here. That's my bed. This is my girl bed here. We don't sleep on the same bed. Okay. Let's go back to the... Oh, let's go check out my ride. Yeah? Oh, show you something. This is my back house. This is where I drink at. Where we drink at. And that's a bag of it right there. And also, let's go check out the front. This is the front. This is my baby here. My baby. My baby. And that's my Cuz right there. That's his baby. Okay. Here's the guys. We chillax here sometimes. And the gate is open. And also we got, holy shit. Buddy. Hey. Hey. We're home. Hey. We're home. Mullins. Mullins. Remuta. Hey. Remuta boy, balak kalau ay. Kabi boleh check na lang crotch. Hey. Remuta. Aro lang lim. Hey. 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 Shh. Remuta. Hapale room ni. Remuta. Remuta. Oh, and I got you on camera. Look over here. Post it.